I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best spicy chicken wings. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making spicy chicken wings. Honestly, these spicy chicken wings are gonna be so tasty. I'm gonna serve these wings with sweet and spicy pickled fries and some of the spicy mayonnaise. You guys gonna absolutely love this. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with brining our chicken wings. I'm using here both the wingette and drumette. Got a touch of salt in there.
Round one.
Some of this black pepper. And finally some of this hot sauce. Use Tabasco or any of your favorite sauce. Give this a really good mix. Use your hands if you can. Now these chicken wings are gonna be crispy, they're gonna be a bit spicy, and I promise you haven't tried spicy chicken wings like this before. Once you mix it, let it brine in the fridge for a few hours or overnight for best results. This process isn't gonna make it spicy, we just want to add a bit more flavor in there. For the dredge in with the plain flour. Now I'm not exaggerating, but this is how some people season it. So they will just go a bit of black pepper, pinch of salt, and some of the smoked paprika or chili powder. And you know what, the seasoning is enough for the amount of flour you guys are using. Anyways, let's season it. With some of this chicken seasoning, it has garlic, onion, and some of the herbs. So you only need to use a bunch of other spices and that's it. Freshly cracked black pepper, white pepper, super underrated. Has a really nice flavor to it. Good old smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, MSG. And finally with the salt. Now give that a really good mix. Alright, perfect, just set aside for later use. For the spicy sauce, I'm using here red chilies, some of these bird's eye chilies and scotch bonnet peppers for more flavor and heat. Now the red chilies will be used just to add a bit more body and color to our sauce. If you guys want, you can just use the bird's and scotch bonnet pepper, but be careful, those are really hot. Get rid of all the seeds from the red chilies, we don't want any bitterness in the sauce. Now if you don't like it too hot, you can also get rid of the seeds from the bird's eye chili and the scotch bonnet pepper. Now grab yourself a baking tray, in with a small onion, some of these garlic cloves, our red chilies, scotch bonnet pepper, and our bird's eye chilies. A few sprigs of fresh thyme just to add a bit more aroma, a little pinch of salt, and finally a good drizzle of oil. Give that a really good mix and we're gonna broil these in the oven until they are nice and charred. This should take you around 10 to 15 minutes on high heat. Remove all the chilies, garlic and onion into there except the thyme. Now in that I'm gonna throw in the pickle juice and some vinegar. Now cover and blend this until you have a smooth consistency. I'm gonna just set this aside for now. Now to prep our spicy sauce, first we're gonna start with the roux. Turn up the heat around medium, maybe with knobs or butter. And finally with the flour. You want to give that a really good mix and cook the rawness of the flour. This should take you around 2 minutes and you will know it's done when it's changed color. Or now you can see it has this amazing brown color and you have the smell of cooked flour. Or so at this point of time we're going to mix in the chicken stock slowly. You don't want any lumps in the sauce, so slowly combine this. There's a recipe of the chicken stock on the channel if you need it. Or now you want to let this come to a simmer. Or now when it starts to simmer we're going to throw in our mixture in there. It's got beautiful color. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now we're going to let this cook for around 10 minutes or so until you have the desired consistency. Now while it's cooking, let's season it with a good touch of black pepper, a good pinch of salt, some of this MSG, just a light splash of soy sauce. Give that a mix. So it's been around 10 minutes and the sauce is looking amazing. I've got the perfect consistency, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Just turn off the heat now. Let's have a little taste. Bismillah. Wow, that is so mouth-watering guys. Like I said, you guys gonna absolutely love this. I have a mouth-watering spicy sauce. Done. Now here's the pro tip, if there's any bitterness to the sauce, you can adjust it with some of the sugar or honey. Hit the subscribe button now. Or let's grab everything, your seasoned flour, chicken wings, and you will also need some cold tap water in a bowl. Now before we start coating our chicken, turn up the heat around medium high. Give it the oil and you want to bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius and you want to maintain that temperature. Or let's get it. A quick mix to the chicken. Grab your flour. Or so this is how we're going to coat it. First of all, the chicken goes into the flour. And now using your dry hand, give this a really good mix and get a good coat of that flour. I think I got overexcited here. Good mix to that. Just a light coat of the flour and now let's remove it. Now just shake off the excess flour. One of the best chicken wings you will ever try. Now these goes into the water. Submerge them completely. We just want the outer layer of the flour to get wet. So that looks good. Remove the excess water and these goes back into the flour. Again, with the help of your dry hands, give this a really good mix. Squeeze on that flour so it sticks to the chicken. Shake off the excess flour and this is exactly what you're looking for. Now these go straight into the hot oil. I'm just double checking the temperature before I throw them in. Or Bismillah, always away from you.
Fire.
And now we're going to let this cook for around 6 to 7 minutes until we have a beautiful gold brown color. And we're looking for an internal temperature of 75 Celsius. Do not touch them, just leave them as it is. Oh, these wings smell so good. I'm feeling so hungry. Alright, I can see they're almost ready. Just another minute or so. Alright, let's start removing these. Just let the excess oil drip, and I'm just going to remove it on a rack. Now it's best to get rid of any excess crumb before you fry the next batch. Again, we have an amazing color on these. If your chicken wings are not crispy like this, don't talk to me. Our mouth-watering crispy chicken wings done. For a quick spicy mayonnaise, in with the mayonnaise of course. There's a recipe on the channel if you want to make it at home. Here with our spicy sauce. So this squeeze of fresh lemon juice add a bit more tang to it. Here with the dried oregano and parsley for more aroma and flavor. And finally touch of black pepper and salt. Give that a really good mix. Have a little taste. That is so delicious. Our amazing spicy mayonnaise. Done. It's gonna go amazing with some of the wings and fries as well. Now for the fries, I'm gonna make this honey mustard sauce. Here with the mayonnaise, yellow mustard, here with the honey, some freshly ground black pepper, good pinch of salt, a little bit of smoked paprika, a light touch of this white vinegar, or you could use lime juice. Here with the fresh chives, they're gonna add a bit more flavor into it. Good mixture that. Have a little taste. That is amazing. Our delicious honey mustard sauce. Done. Alright, let's prep the fries, add them into a bowl. Some of this Cajun seasoning. A little bit of the spicy mayonnaise. Alright, remove your fries onto there. A bit more spicy mayonnaise. A drizzle of this honey mustard. Some of this melted cheddar cheese. Now throwing the pickles. Now you could also add some of the jalapenos onto there. Finally a bit more sauces onto there. I'm gonna garnish it with some of this pickled red cabbage. And some of these fresh chives. Be generous with the chives, alright? Oh man, these fries look absolutely amazing. You guys gonna absolutely love this. And now it's time to glaze our wings. Here with your spicy sauce. Make sure to always warm up the sauce before you serve it. Grab yourself a plate as well. Now these goes into the sauce. A quick dip in there and start removing them. Now once you have removed them, serve them immediately. So mouth-watering, so delicious. You can also serve the wings inside the hot dog roll. Here with some of the spicy sauce, coleslaw. Here with the chicken, some more of this sauce, pickles, pickled red cabbage, and finally some of this spicy mayonnaise. Oh, that looks so good. You guys gonna absolutely love this.
Final round.
Alright, let's plate this up out of our spicy chicken wings. Serving it with our amazing sweet and spicy pickled fries. And finally some of our spicy mayonnaise. Our mouth-watering spicy chicken wings with fries and sauce. Done. Delicious.
Perfect.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try these. It looks so mouth-watering. Let's try our sweet and spicy fries first. Bismillah. Wow, those are so delicious. The amazing flavor from the pickles, the cheese, everything goes very well together. Wow, I'm lost for words, trust me. And let's try the heart of this dish, our spicy chicken wings. Look at those. Let's take a bite. Bismillah. Wow. So delicious. They are a bit spicy, has a bit of tang to it. They're cooked to perfection, trust me. Like I mentioned before, one of the best spicy chicken wings. Please do me a favor and like this video and share with your family and friends so they can enjoy as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.